This is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your game so you can go ahead and start over like you just bought the game and it's completely fresh. So to do this, I'm going to press the Xbox button and then go to My Games and Apps right here. Then go to See All. Then under the Games section, we want to go to right. So the games are the installed games currently. Now if we go to the full library, this will be the installed games and then every other game that we ever bought. So we can go to either section here, but I'm just going to go up to games and then locate a single player game that I want to go ahead and restart. So here's Forza. I don't know if I've ever played this, but I'm going to press the button with the three lines on it and then go to manage games and add-ons right here. Now we can see the save data. So I currently don't have any saved game data for this specific game. So nothing is showing up in here. So I'm going to find a game I do. So let's go to Call of Duty. And then go to Manage Games and Add-ons. And here's my saved data. So what I want to do is delete the saved data in here. So I'm going to delete my account and clear for the resource and then completely delete this out. So you'll see your single player game saves in here and you can completely delete them. And if you do have it like Xbox Live, I believe they'll upload to the cloud. So you'll be able to save them there. And then you can start a new account and start playing. And there will be no saves on your account, so just delete your saved data under here and you can look at the files and see what they are. In Minecraft, I believe they save your worlds in here as well, so just look through the individual saved data and you should be able to determine which is your game saves. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.